welcome back. Today I'm going to tie for you a thick ribbed brown cruncher. So in the vise I've got a chuck and duck size 12 wet hook. The thread I'm using is a brown UTC in 70. Let's just start it just at the top of the bend before it dips down, just so we keep that head small, that head space, keep it a little bit, you're not building it up a bit. So that's in there. This is just a hen furnace feather, so I'm just going to get some tail fibres from, just the same colour as the hackle that's going in. Try and get them level. Only fine fibre, so put a few in. That's it, look. That's lovely. Right, tail length, probably about 6-7 mil over the back for me. Nice couple of loose turners first, then pull it down tight and get down. Just pulling your feathers up so they don't get pulled around. Got one more turn in there. Yep, that's nice. Right, I'll come back to there and we're going to snip this and get rid of that. And touching turns on the way back up just to tidy that up and tie them in. That's it. Come to about there with your thread. Next is Flexi Floss from Kindle. This is the brown. Very nice stuff. There are other sorts, but I've found when you're doing ribs, this is the right diameter for it to look like a nice rib. Catch it in on the side, then come back on yourself, tying that loose tab in on touching turns. There you go. Right, now stretch it and work your way back with touching turns all the way back to the start of your tail feathers. That's it there. Ain't come up, ain't got to be touching turns on the way back up. You want to be, again, just at the top of your, where the bend of the hook is. Right, don't pull too tight on your Flexi Floss. Your first one, give it a little pull, just so, because it's going to taper slightly. Then come next to it, so it's nearly touching, and then you're just going to get that little segmentation. Just take your time coming up. Nothing worse than rushing it, then you end up with touching turns and you lose the effect of it. Use the effect of the body, and it's a cracking part of the fly, that is. You don't want to mess this bit up. So that's where I want to come to, just there. Right, catch that in, excuse fingers. A few turns in. Alright. And stretch it, not crazily, but stretched. Ping it off. Right. I'll come back up to the last segmentation part, just there. Hold on. Ooh, nearly forgot. Always forget, Johnny. Protect that body. I'm going to use bug off. Now, don't smother it. You want to keep them ribs in it. Don't worry about little bits of fluff that are sticking up there. Once we've torched this, we'll get rid of them with the lighter. You always get little bits of fluff coming all in it somewhere, so that's it. That's nicely coated. That's just going to help protect that a little bit. That looks nice. Right. Next, just torch it off with your UV torch. You can see that body looks fantastic. It's a great colour, this brown is. It does fade a little bit when you stretch it, which every single material will do that. So just give it a quick zap. That'll do. Right, what I'm going to do is get rid of all them little bits that you can see. So I'm just going to tie this off. Just a couple of turns, because I'm not tying it off for good. Just get rid of my thread, nice and tight up. Hold your tail feathers, get your lighter, just drift it under once or twice like that. That's it, that's got all your bits. They've all gone. Right. Just tighten my thread up a touch. Just tie it back on and come back up to the top part just there. So you're on your first segmentation part. Snip your tag off. Right, I did have a feather ready. I've dropped it somewhere. Oh, I don't know where it's gone. Oh, it is, here it is. Just spotted her. There she comes. Right, this is hen furnace hackle. That's what this is. And I've chosen a feather that's about that long and stripped it back so that the fibres are the right size for the fly. Get your bottom fibres down where you're first starting it, get a turn, make sure you pull it down, get a few turns, work your way down to the eye and bend it back. Just get a couple of turns on that, and that ties that all in, and you'll not end up with a little stubby bit sticking out by the eye of the hook. Get rid of that bit. Right, get your pliers. I'm just going to stretch that down so it's out of the way. Just wet your fibres. And come round with your first turn. Nice and steady. Only pull the fibres back that you've just turned. Then you'll get a nice even fibre going round. You won't get it patchy. There's 3 turns. I'm going to go one more so that when I do the head it pushes it all back. So let's get a turn on there. Just tighten my thread back up. All these videos are done at a pace that so you can follow them. Don't rush them. Nothing worse than having to keep stopping a video so that you can, when you're copying it, you have to keep stopping it So, right, now form your head. That's it. Get to the size what you want. That's about finished. So I'm going to take 3 off there. Then I'm going to come in with my whip finisher. And I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. And that's back to the size where it was, where I was happy with it. If you like the videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Help the channel grow. Alright, grab your tag end bit, hold it level. I'll grab it in a minute. There you go, just ping it off. Less disturbance that way. And she's looking good. Right. Yeah, give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you like them, and just help it grow. And I'll keep putting flies on that catch you some fish. All these flies that I'm putting on all catch fish. Just how you fish them. That's the secret with them. Right, this is a bit of bug off just for the head, just to finish the head off, just to get a bit of gloss on there. Get a bit of a shiny head. So there's no flash in it, nothing like that. But this is a deadly fly. Don't need flash. If you want to see how to tie it again, it'll be on YouTube, on John Kirk Fly Tying. So get on there, there's loads of flies on there that'll help you improve your box and put some good flies in there along with other people's flies. So, and that's your finished fly. That's it. Cracking looking fly. That on one of your droppers. Bit of colour on the point. Just nicely figure of 8'd back. Hold on to your rod. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers, bye.